YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So today we are going to do a laundry haul. This is what, we use to wash our clothes and do our laundry and things. Okay, so we just got this. This is for Sugar. I don't really use this. I like it though because it smells like it has, what's that stuff? Hold on. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Let me go see what I'm talking about. Oh, the Lysol laundry sanitizer stuff. It smells like it has that in it, but not as strong as if you were to just use the sanitizer stuff itself. So I do like that. Um, this is what I like to use. I usually get the original one, but they didn't have it, so we just got the Moonlight Breeze. Smells amazing. Love it. This right here is a softener. Sugar loves the intense ones. She got this one too. I don't think we've had this one before, but I love this one. It smells amazing. But I'm still gonna try this one. This is more of like a floral one, and this is kind of sweeter. Y'all, it's gonna be a bit much, but I mean, we serious about our laundry. We like to experiment with different smells and things like that. Who wants to have their stuff smelling the same every time they wash clothes? You know what I mean? Variety. So yeah, this is detergent plus softener from Arm& Hammer. I never used this before. I didn't even know about this, but I love it. It works well. What else we got? Okay, so this Downy Calm stuff. This is what Sugar uses for her bedding. They come in beads as well, scent beads. She hasn't had these ones before, but she's had these. They're like almost gone. They smell so good. I'm not supposed to be using them, but I do anyway. Okay. Don't tell Sugar because, she don't need to know. Okay, so we use Clorox 2 as well. This is like bleach for colored clothes because it doesn't bleach your clothes like bleach would. This little baby bottle, we don't usually get this. We usually get the big ones, but shh, don't tell nobody. Okay, so yeah, we really like this. We also use regular bleach, but we just do that like for white clothes. This is, like I said, for colored clothes. So you don't bleach your mess. Because, I mean, y'all, look, let me tell you. We be paying entirely, everybody in general pay entirely too much money for clothes, for your stuff to be fading and getting bleached and all this and that. So this is why you got to, like, experiment, see what works for you. This is what Sugar always uses. She loves these. These are her go-to. The Tide Pods, y'all. Look how big these pods are. Gotta reach my hand all the way in there. Look how big they come. Okay, yeah, there we go. They come smaller too, but one of these, or if you feeling you want to be a little extra like Sugar do, you can use two. Y'all, she be having so many suds in that machine. I be like, girl, you want your stuff clean or what? So yeah, that concludes our little laundry haul. Oh, never mind. It doesn't conclude our laundry haul because I forgot to tell y'all about the dryer sheets. Okay, so let me show y'all. We usually use the bounce ones. Yes, we use the bounce ones, but I had bought these a while ago from Walgreens. I like them. They smell really good, but they don't stick with your clothes, or they're not as effective, I feel, as the bounce ones. So we predominantly use these. What else can I show y'all? Cause there's more. I could show y'all the Snuggle stuff. Let's see. These are also scent boosters. Let me get out the way, y'all. Dang. Share the spotlight. Thank you. Okay. These are also scent boosters. It's two different kinds, well, three different kinds in here actually, because we use them so much. We got light blue, baby blue, and the pink. All of them smell amazing. What else? What else? We also have these scent beads. Odor blasters. Love these. We have the I think they're called Tropical Paradise ones as well. I don't see any down here. But I have some upstairs. Y'all love those. What else? I done showed y'all the laundry sanitizer stuff. Yeah. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. There's more. But wait. There's more. Never mind. I lied. I believe that is all. Okay. So that concludes our laundry haul. Thank y'all for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Spread the word. Um, yeah. Okay. I do believe I mentioned that she used this for her bedding. Yeah. Okay. Bye.